Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window motor on a Ford Expedition. First, gather your essential tools, including various screwdrivers, a set of wrenches, and a specialized trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so always begin by disconnecting your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Once that's done, carefully remove the interior door panel, which will give you access to the window motor assembly. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair. Now that the door panel is off, gently peel back the plastic moisture barrier. This reveals the inner workings of your door, including the window regulator and motor. Take a moment to locate the window motor itself and identify its electrical connector. It's usually mounted to the window regulator assembly. Once you've found it, carefully unplug the electrical connector from the old window motor. This step isolates the motor electrically, preparing it for removal. With the electrical connection disconnected, you can now unbolt the old window motor from the window regulator assembly. There are typically 3 or 4 bolts holding it in place. Once unbolted, carefully maneuver the faulty motor out of the door cavity. Now, take your new window motor and position it correctly onto the regulator. Secure it firmly using the bolts you removed earlier, ensuring a snug fit. Double-check all connections before proceeding. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed window motor. This restores power to the unit. Before fully reassembling, reconnect your vehicle's battery and test the window's operation to ensure everything works correctly. Once confirmed, reattach the plastic moisture barrier and then carefully reinstall the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are secure. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This completes your window motor replacement, getting your window back in working order.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.